to set up SOS and emergency dispatch alerts on Life360. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Life360 on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. After you're logged into your account, you will find SOS beside check-in. Click on SOS in here. After you click on SOS in here, click on Begin Setup. Hold down the SOS button if you feel onset. Click on Practice SOS. Now it will teach you how to do it. When you release the button, you will have 10 seconds to cancel the SOS. Release it and SOS will be sent. You can also slide to cancel. Press on Done. Practice mode has been done. And great, you're ready to use SOS. Press on Got It. And you have tap to add a circle member. Click on it. And you can add your family circle. You can also upgrade to add an 24/7 emergency dispatcher by clicking on it. But you will need subscription for that. For now, you can only add your contacts. And this is how to set up SOS and emergency dispatch alerts on Life360. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.